It's the Locksmith, and this is Introduction to TOY38R Keyway, lesson number 9. All keys lost, part 5, using the direct reader. Let's get to it. What is the TOY38R direct reader? Well, if you notice, it looks just like a leash tool, except without the tension tool. It is made by Original Leashy. And how does it work if it has no tension tool? Well, it decodes a bit differently, and this only decodes. It won't unlock a vehicle, but it can help you generate a new key. So first, you insert it just like a key, and the odds, you don't really feel anything, as you notice, right? But when you get to the evens, it bounces on the wafers. This is how you get to decode it. And then when you want to get to the odd wafers, you flip it around, and you'll notice now the odds are bouncy. Now let's make a key. Step 1, decode the even wafers. And I just want to start by saying, you don't have to start with the even wafers. You can start with the odd, but I'm going to start with the even wafers. So you insert the leashy, like I stated before. Now then, let's see. You notice 2 is bouncy, so you're going to go all the way down as low as you can go. And it's a 1. Now we're going to go to 4, the next one. And it looks like 4 is 4. Now 6. 6 is 3. 8 is 3. We got all the even wafers. Step 2, decode the odd wafers. Just want to show you what we have for even so far. And now, we had it in the even position. Now we're going to decode. We're going to flip over the leash sheet tool, insert it, and keep in mind, normally this would be annoying because you're in a car trying to decode the ignition and you'd kind of be in a weird angle. But because I have the ignition pulled out, I could just, turn it around. But typically, one of these is going to be in the hassle, if not both. But let's start with the 1 position. Looks like it's a 1. Now let's decode 3. That's definitely a 2. Now 5. 5 is 4. And 7 is 1. Okay. Now we're going to test and cut the key. We're going to test and cut the key. But let's start by checking the bitting. Toyota. So it does look like it's a valuable code. That is a key code, valuable key code. So we're probably on the right track. Testing the key. Yes, and it turns the ignition smoothly. So when would I use this tool? Well, I would use it, say if the vehicle's been vandalized and the door locks and ignition don't match, and the car's a 2-key system, I would use this for the ignition. And aside from that, I can't really think of any other solution, other times to use it. Other if you want to generate a key right away, I honestly prefer to just pull the door lock and get the key code. But each to their own. Anyway, being a locksmith, signing it off. Thanks for watching. Bye.